What's up, guys? Today, I just woke up, so it's pretty early in the morning. We're gonna. I found out this dude was selling a 3-inch pipe, like from the exhaust out. So I asked him how much. He said $15, and I was like, "Damn, $15 for a 3-inch pipe? That's pretty cheap." So we're gonna be going pretty far. I think I'm about an hour and a half to 2 hours away. So I'm gonna put gas right now because we're at the gas station. Put some gas, and then we're gonna take off. And then, well, yeah, I'm kind of excited. I want to see how it'll sound with a 3-inch. Maybe get a different muffler. Maybe we'll see. But I'll see you guys once I get the pipe. Okay, guys. So after some crazy ass driving, right, Junior?
Oh yeah.
He's still a little shaky there. Okay, so we're gonna put gas just to show you guys the pipe. So like, let's say it's gonna. This is the tip over here, right here. So let's. It would basically come out around here. So it would cover about up to like right here, basically around where the muffler is at. Is what it would cover. So we'll probably have to buy the rest of it from the other side of the muffler up to the headers. But for now, we'll see how this sounds. Hopefully it doesn't sound ugly because it might be 6, but it's in very good conditions. Excuse me. It doesn't have any dents. Oh, I think only that's the dent. That's the only dent right here, but it's no problem. Probably get this put on real soon, and then we'll see what happens. Okay, so on the way back home, I had put it on Snapchat. Like, oh, I got like a 3-inch exhaust, and one of my friends that I met through YouTube, he tells me he has a 4-inch exhaust he can like sell me real cheap. So he told me, I think it was from the manifold, right? Yeah. From the manifold to the exhaust, he told me put it 4-inch, and then put these 3-inch from the exhaust out. So I'm gonna go pick it up right now. And shout out to you, man. Shout out to you, Juan. So he said with the exhaust I have, because I have a wicked flow, it should sound pretty deep. So I honestly don't know what to expect, but hopefully it does sound good. And I like those, not those like annoying V6s that you hear sometimes, because that's what I am trying to avoid. Come here, Junior, shaking my shirt. Yeah, I'm trying to avoid those ugly V6 sounds. I just, because mine right now it's actually pretty chill. It's only loud when I step on it. But yeah, watch. Junior, wrong side, bro.
Yeah, you don't say.
Right there. Yeah. Junior. Oh, we're doing it from the wrong way, just like this, straight ahead. Right there, guys.
I was tripping out for a second.
That's 3 right there and the 0. So 3-inch. We're gonna go pick it up. Again, shout out to you, man. I appreciate it. Hopefully my truck doesn't sound horrible. Let's go. We'll see how it sounds. I'm just gonna go on full throttle. Okay, guys, so I already got the exhaust. Look at the difference, the 3-inch and the 4-inch. So we're making I'm driving right now, so you can see. We're gonna make our way over there. I already talked to the dude. He told me, like, because both of these are meant to come out through right here. So he said that he could either do one or the other. He can't do it to the back. But my other friend told me that if I put 3 inches on the back before the muffler, and then the 4-inch after the muffler, will sound like real nice. So I'm gonna tell him if he can try out both of these after I think after he installs this one, to see which one sounds better. And if the 4-inch sounds better, then I'll just wait until I have money to get for the 3-inch to put in the back. And if not, then I'll just keep the 3-inch for a while. I'm just waiting for him to finish. Excuse me. I'm waiting for him to finish on that one, so we can get this one up there. And we're probably gonna put back the other one I used to have, the MagnaFlow. So we'll see which one sounds better. Okay, guys. So they're only gonna put it the 3-inch because I need to get another muffler, because this one's a 1 in 2 out, but I need one with a bigger hole on it, like a 3-inch. So for right now, since it's two out, one's gonna be out and the other one's gonna be coming out through the back. So hopefully it sounds good with the two combined different sounds. So yeah, but next time I'll try to get like the full thing, the way my friend wanted it, like 3 on the back and then 4 out. But either way, I doubt that I'll change the motor, but if I ever do, well, the exhaust is gonna be badass on it. So we'll see how it sounds afterwards. Putting the supports on, they can stay on there. So I see left it at a good angle. Looks good right there. I wonder how it's gonna sound. Okay guys, so I already got it put in. Turn it off, Junior. Turn it off real quickly. Okay, so what they did is, because it was one in, 2 out. They kept 1 out and they put the one next to it. They put the pipe. They ran it through all the way to out here. So I honestly don't know how it sounds in camera right now, but according to my cousin and other people, the idle is way stronger. Even in the highway, it sounds better because it has 2 different tones now, the original one and this one. So turn it on, Junior. The idle is definitely stronger. See, I don't know if you guys can hear it, but step on it lightly. A little harder. A little harder. Oh, you can turn it off. You can turn it off. So yeah, he just charged me $20 to put it on. I got the whole pipe from the exhaust out. I got it for $15, and this other friend, the one that hit me up, this one was another $15. So later I'm gonna get a different muffler because that was too small. So I'll get a different muffler next time, so I can put this out there and put the 3-inch back there, so we can see how that sounds. But yeah, we'll try to get to a little bit more different shots, rolling shots, and that'll be it for the video. Okay guys, so before I put the other clips of stepping on it in the highway and just a little couple of drive-bys, I've been driving the truck ever since I put in the 3-inch muffler for a couple of days, and I've been noticing it's actually made a difference. When I had just the complete cutoff, like on low speeds, I would step on it and it would kind of like make the truck like kind of bounce back and it would kick in. So I had to kind of like step on the gas kind of low for it to advance forward, like in a calm but fast way, if you guys get what I'm saying. And ever since I got the 3-inch installed, I don't even have to go even like halfway down for the truck to advance. Like the pedal got really light and it doesn't hit any more hard. Like whenever I step on it, like it just does it. It doesn't hesitate. It doesn't hit hard. It just does it really smooth. And I've noticed like when I put these rims on the 20s, I lost a good amount of power. But when I installed the pipe, it gave me back the power I had lost with these rims plus a little bit more. So I did see an increase in power, and also it's really smooth now. Like I lost a little bit of low end torque, but compared to what I've gained, it doesn't matter. And the truck is smooth, the pedal really smooth. It actually makes a difference. Even my gas mileage improved a little bit. But yeah guys, so having 1 in 2 out muffler with one open and the other one out as a pipe, having 2 different sounds actually sounds pretty cool. So I don't know much, but from what I've seen, the pipe is good for low RPMs because you hear more of the muffler, and the cutoff is better for higher RPMs because it keeps it from turning into that ugly, annoying V6 sound that you usually hear with pipes. So combining both actually makes it good from low torque. I mean, my bad, low RPMs to high RPMs. It sounds good. I've also noticed that it sounds a lot more aggressive, a lot deeper. So yeah, it made a big difference, guys. I actually recommend a 3-inch.